Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. My name is Amar, and on this channel we review a variety of sneakers. Those sneakers mostly being of my favourite pairs and those mostly being of Nike branding. So in today's video, we'll be looking at an SB Dunk. Now, I'm super excited I managed to get hold of this pair to show you lot. So without going on any further, I'll start off with a short introduction. So if you are new along here, please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Please make sure to hit that notification bell and stay up to date with any of my videos. Now, what I was able to find out, Crush DC is a skate shop. They were established back in 2020 and they're based in Washington DC. And to be honest, in my opinion, I was quite surprised that these guys actually was able to do a collaboration with them only being out sort of 3 years. But the owners, Brian and Bobby, Brian himself has been established before. He sort of ran towards the skate shops in the past and he's always been within the skate shop establishments. David was able to do a live stream with these guys, which was for about 30 minutes. It was really interesting. So if you want to go check that out, please make sure to check that out. I will leave a link down below, so do check that out. It's really interesting. He got to speak to Brian and Bobby. There was something I took note on, and that was the actual insole itself. Now, the story behind the insole, Brian has his kids' names on the insole. And the story behind that was one of the children wasn't actually born, and he kind of pushed his wife for a name, was kindly enough to share that with David of Bluetile. Now, big shout out to David from Bluetile. So in hand we have that beautiful, nice quick strike box. It's really nice. You have all your colours, rectangular shaped box, and it's of a glossy colourway, and you have your multicolour stripes. In the middle you have your Nike SB branding, and it's in that white text. Looks really nice. And if I just go ahead and read off the box label reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, and it's a quick strike, and the colorway is olive grey mantra orange. The box label. Right, so moving along, if I just peel back this lid, we have that wood grain sort of tissue paper. This is in that sort of like black wood grain. You do get the green colorway as well. This is in that black one. And if I just go ahead and peel back this paper, we can then have a look at the kicks. So in hand, here is your first look at the Nike SB Dunk Low Crushed DC. So I'll try to cover certain aspects of the sneaker. I try to cover materials, we'll talk about sizing, and we'll talk about availability. So if we go ahead and look at the actual materials, I will start off around the toe box, which is this area around here. You have this nice, beautiful suede material, which is along your toe box, and it goes along your eyelets and your lacing panels, and also along your heel panel, which is all along here. And it looks really nice, really clean in my opinion. You can see all that. You can see that brush effect. It looks really nice suede. That's how you know it's premium, so you can see it. And if you run your finger along it, you can see it has that sort of nice sort of brush effect. It looks really nice. That's how you know it's really premium. It's really good. Beautiful. So all in all, your panels, you have that suede on your toe box, your eyelets, and along your heel panel. It's really clean. And then if we go ahead and look at your toe box, you have this really nice tumbled plush leather, and it's in a nice light grey colourway that also follows along the side panel just under your swoosh. And you also have that same light grey colourway, and it's really nice and tumble just below your sock liner. And with your swoosh, you have that really nice sort of marble effect along your swoosh. And if we have a look at your laces, you have nice clean white SB style laces. Looks really nice. And the actual tongue itself, because it's an SB, you have that nice plush tongue, and you have this nice smooth sort of textured material on your actual tongue itself, and it's in that sort of light grey colorway, and you have these like diamonds. Pretty clean in my opinion. Hit me up if you know what that represents or if it follows any sort of theme. And the actual tongue tab itself, you have a nice clean white tongue tab. It's in a canvas material. You have your Nike and SB branding, and then you also have your crushed DC branding. You have that nice sort of burnt orange colorway in your sock liner. You also have your heel padding. You do also have 2 lace options, which is pretty clean. I'm super gassed because the materials on this is really nice, especially the suede panels. As you say, it's really nice as you brush it. You get that brush effect, looks really nice. And if we go ahead and look at the heel tab, which I nearly missed out, you have a nice clean suede heel tab. It's in that same colour as the rest of the panels throughout the sneaker. You have that burnt orange, or the given name Mantra Orange. Nike text, really nice clean detail. And the back of your tongue, you have the Crush DC branding, pretty clean. And the inner tongue is green, and the actual lining of your tongue, you have that Mantra Orange colour. And if we're looking at your midsole, you have a nice clean white rubber midsole. Looks pretty decent, nice contrast. And if we go ahead and look at your outsole, you have that nice Mantra Orange, and you have your Nike SB branding on this middle panel, which will be your ear unit. They're not your standard Nike Dunk. Now with your SB Dunks, with it being a skate shoe, it basically has extra padding within the inside of your inner heel. On this occasion, when it comes to your SB Dunks, people do tend to go half a size up. If we go ahead and talk about availability, now these did drop via a few skate shops. I don't know how they hit sort of along the US region, but down here in the EU and the UK, we had them drop a couple of days ago on a couple of skate shops online. I do believe these are due probably at some point on the sneakers app. I know on the 17th of October there is the Nike SB Dunk Lows, and that's the Skate Like a Girl collaboration. If I'm lucky enough to get hold of them, I would love to share them with you, but we'll see on the 17th. Right, so guys, I believe I've covered everything I said I'll cover in the video. I appreciate if you stuck around. I appreciate your support, and if you've not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe, and if you're new along here, please make sure to hit that notification bell and stay up to date with any of my videos. And with all that out of the way, I hope to see you on the next video.